Hi there, my name's Jeff from Forge 3, and I wanted to show you how to use the social media content on this page. So the first question we often get is, why can't you just post this stuff for us? Well, the honest truth is we used to. However, social media has changed over the years, and that generic, generalized content being posted on your behalf, outsourcing it, just doesn't work. It doesn't perform anymore. The best content is always going to come from your agency, showing the vibe, the culture, the team that you're building. That is what people want to see. Anything behind the scenes is going to perform way better than even the best content that you'll find on this page. But you can use this content here to supplement that. And when you do post this, make sure you put your own spin on it. Say something interesting. Just don't paste it verbatim and say that you're using social media. It really doesn't work like that anymore. But there's some really great content on this page, all professionally designed. You can see we have little blurbs written for each one of these. And this is the personal insurance page that I'm on right now. So a lot of personal insurance content is on here, created by our team of professional designers and copywriters. But you can also see business insurance, employee benefits, general content. It all works the same way. So I want to show you how to post this on your social media account. So let's say we like this auto insurance graphic, and here's the text here. So the first thing we're going to do is download the image. So I'm going to click download image, and I'm using Chrome. And you can see down here at the bottom left, it says auto insurance JPEG has been downloaded. That's good. I'm also going to copy this text. So I'm going to click copy text. A little box pops up saying it's been copied. Fantastic. So now we can go on to whatever social platform we'd like. I'm going to use LinkedIn to start here. So I'm going to say I want to post a picture, and I'm going to choose that auto insurance graphic that we just downloaded. I'm going to click that, click next. And remember, we just copied that text, so I'm going to go ahead and paste it. And there it is. So that's the text that we just copied from the Forge 3 website. And in this one, there's even a link. So there's some content here and then a link out to another website. And then I would simply click post. It's literally as simple as that. I'll show you one other example just to give you the idea of how this really works. So again, there's business insurance. Click on that. You'll see these are all business insurance posts. Employee benefits. You can see the employee benefits posts. And then general content, things like holidays, maybe office closures, that sort of thing would all be in here. So for example, let's say they're going to be closed for the holidays. I might come down here and say we will be closed for the holidays. That sounds good. I'm going to download that image just like that. You can see here at the bottom left, it was just downloaded. I'm going to copy that text as well. That sounds good. Maybe this time I'm going to go to our Facebook page. So here I'm going to say photo video. I'm going to say closed for the holidays. Go ahead and upload that one. You can see there it is loading into Facebook. And again, I'm going to paste in that message. Again, when you're posting this content, think about how your agency, how you would describe it, how you would talk about it. That is always going to perform best. So don't just paste it like I'm doing here and click post. Put your own vibe into that as well. And that's how you would do it. So you'd click post there, or perhaps you have a company page on LinkedIn or on Instagram. You get the idea at this point. So I'm on the Forge 3 page on LinkedIn. I'm going to again click on the little camera and find my photo. There it is, looks great. And again, I'm going to paste in that content. And if I click post here, it would post it to the Forge 3 page on LinkedIn. So that is what social media content is all about. You can see, again, there's a bunch of great content on these pages, and as you come back in the future, you're going to see new posts that we're creating all the time. If you have questions on any of this, reach out. You know where to find us. And if you're an active agency client, we'll even help you get your own ads up and running. So if you want to target these pieces of content at very particular audiences, perhaps new homeowners or business owners in a certain zip code, that sort of thing, we can help you with that. That is included with the cost of active agency. It's a great value that we're including in active agency. So I hope this was helpful for you. Again, if you have questions, let us know. Otherwise, all the best. We'll see you soon.